So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then on the browser, you want signing into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then here, you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen beside the search icon. And then at the network and add-ons, you want to click on all to see on all the channels. And then you want to scroll down until you find Bed Plus. Right here on the Bed Plus, you can just click on it. And then you want to add the Bed Plus to your membership with 10 bucks per month and the 7-day free trial on your first buy. Just click on next. And then you can complete your purchase with the Bed Plus either with your debit or credit card or even your PayPal. So just click on start membership and you are good to go. Then after you complete the purchase, you want to click on the search icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for bed. And then right here on the Bed Plus with the network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just see on the Bed Plus the original series, original movies, comedy, and so on. And there you go. Now you can watch the Bed Plus without using TV cable on your smart TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Bed Plus on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.